Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here. It's been a hot minute. I ended up taking off last week on vlogging anything. Couple things. I had a friend that came up to visit. We had all these plans. Needless to say, none of them ended up happening because I was gonna vlog some of it. We were gonna go to a baseball game, but Friday got notified by the city that we had to boil water due to a bacteria, and I've never gone through that, so that was interesting. It almost felt like I was camping, not being able to use the water faucets. Thankfully, I had a case of bottled water that I had bought for that ice storm that I never ended up needing. So we had water, but because of that, they had to shut down like all the restaurants and stuff in the city, and we were going to go to a baseball game, but they weren't serving food, and then it ended up raining that night, and I was like, what's the point in going when we're gonna sit in the rain and we can't eat? Because we're not like huge baseball people, but we enjoy the atmosphere when we do go to those games. And yeah, and they were offering to allow you to exchange your ticket for another game anyway this season, so we just figured, let's just pick another game and go, and it's got food and everything. Not to mention we're in drought restrictions right now, because we haven't been getting enough rain, and so they can't do the fireworks after the game either. So there's just a lot of things kind of like putting a damper on that. This morning it's sprinkling on and off. It's very gloomy out. I decided to take a very slow morning. I stayed up late last night watching the Brandon Lake live stream concert. That was really good. So yeah, I slept in a little bit later this morning, and I've been slow. I haven't done much other than watch some TV, have some breakfast. I still want to work out, but I'm trying to hold off on that for a little bit because I really don't have plans today. Today is going to be a very slow day, just a few things I would like to do. I do want to run to UPS at some point because I need to mail off my Mother's Day gift, so that's there in time. Oh, and I would like to kind of like wipe down the interior of the fridge before I pick up my groceries tomorrow after church. So yeah, those are the only major things that are like on my list to do. But other than that, it's just gonna be very chill. I'll show you if I do anything, what I do. But I don't anticipate us doing much today. But I wanted to make sure I vlogged something because it's been a week since I filmed anything. I haven't shown you, but I got new picture frames for behind here. They're all pretty much the same. And then I pretty much kept all the same old photos in there. But I figured it was time to grow up and get something a little more neutral, less randomness and playfulness. Because all of those frames were different and some of them were actually falling apart. So I did get new frames. I don't think if there's anything else I've changed. And I don't think I have. So we'll see where today takes us and what we end up getting into. I don't think it'll be much of anything. Probably a little bit of TV, a little bit of cleaning here and there. I got the package mailed off. Pretty sure that costs more than the gift itself. I don't know why everything's got to be so darn expensive, but I put my sweats back on. I'm going to chill and watch TV for a little while, and then we'll try to jump into something else. Probably making some lunch here in a few. It's almost 11. I think I'm just going to have a box of macaroni and cheese today because that just sounds good on this rainy day. And then maybe after I do dishes, I'll try to get the fridge cleaned out. Like I said, this is going to be a very slow Saturday. I don't have plans. Don't have anything going on that's serious. I'm just trying to have a chill day. Because last weekend it was a lot of go when I had company and we stayed up late, got up early. I just didn't get enough sleep. So I'm just trying to be kind and give myself a slower day. And with the gloomy weather, it just feels like a good day to sit and watch movies. Decided to go ahead and make some brownies, so I have desserts, and this is the last of this anyway. Well, I fell asleep, slept for a couple hours, didn't mean to do that, but I guess I needed it, and I just put eye drops in because my contacts are very dry after that hard sleep. I'm going to take the dog out, though, because I think he needs to go to the bathroom. I don't know how much more I'm going to do today. My body is just dragging. I did quickly bag up the brownies so I could put that stuff away when I got up, but like I said, I don't know if we're going to get into anything else or not. It's a while later. My brother ended up calling, so I chatted with him for a while. I went and got dinner. I didn't show it to you because it was just Taco Bell, which you guys have seen that order, I think 3 times now. So as tired as I am and as much as I don't want to do anything, I think I'm going to go ahead and at least wipe down the fridge because I pick up groceries tomorrow. And as we know, it's easiest to clean the fridge out when it's empty. Well, I feel better. I got all the sticky stuff out of the fridge. But like I said, for the most part, today was all about just having it be slow and rest, take my time, don't do a lot. And I'm thankful I did. I still have a twinge of a headache, but at least I got some extra sleep. I mean, I literally took like a 2-hour nap, which naps for me are unheard of. So the fact that I fell asleep that long, I must have needed it. So, but I think I'm gonna wrap this vlog up here. Hope you enjoyed coming along for just a slow, chill Saturday. As always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.